Is your MyQ smart garage door sensor offline or showing a low battery alert? Don't worry, it's a common issue and usually an easy fix. The standard MyQ sensor uses a CR123A battery, which typically lasts 1 to 2 years. If you're seeing a low battery warning or an offline status in the MyQ app, it's time to replace the battery. The newer Sensor Pro models even have rechargeable options now. A low battery is the most common reason for MyQ sensor issues, so let's get it fixed. First, open the MyQ app and power off the sensor if possible. Locate the sensor on your garage door or opener. Slide open the battery compartment on the back of the sensor. Remove the old CR123A battery, noting the correct polarity. Insert the new battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct way. Close the compartment. In the MyQ app, resync or reset the sensor in device settings. Test the sensor by opening and closing the garage door to confirm it's online. If problems persist, try resetting the MyQ hub or checking your Wi-Fi connection. Remember to dispose of old batteries properly. For Sensor Pro models, ensure you charge the battery fully.